Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Overshield in Fortnite. So go ahead and open Fortnite and let's get started. What is Overshield and why does it matter? Why should I use it? So basically, Overshield adds an extra layer of protection. You have your health bar, so you have 100 health, and then Overshield, you can have up to 100 Overshield. So it's kind of like a second health bar in a sense. Basically, you want to fill your bar to be max because that is going to go first before your health bar. So once you run out of Overshield, or if you don't have any Overshield, it's just going to be your regular health bar and you're way more likely to die like that. You always want to drink the small shields first, so hold down left click. So I am going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to chug it real quick. So all you have to do is left click, and now we're going to take this big shield and fully drink it to be at max, and that is how you're able to max out your Overshield in Fortnite. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!